Most contractors choose the wrong accounting software for one simple reason. They buy based on price instead of complexity. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best accounting software for a 5-person remodeling company is completely different from the best software for a growing commercial contractor managing payroll, job costing, and multiple crews. That is why the Sage Construction versus QuickBooks debate matters so much in 2026. Both platforms are popular. Both can handle construction accounting. But they are built for very different types of businesses. In this video, I'll show you exactly where Sage Construction wins, where QuickBooks dominates, who should avoid each one, and which platform gives contractors the best value based on their business size. Let's start with the biggest difference immediately. QuickBooks is general accounting software. Sage Construction is specialized construction accounting software. That one distinction changes almost everything. QuickBooks was built for millions of small businesses across different industries. Restaurants, freelancers, consultants, retail shops, and contractors all use it. Sage Construction was designed specifically for construction companies. And that means Sage focuses much more heavily on job costing, payroll complexity, project tracking, and construction financial reporting. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of contractors start with QuickBooks because it is easier and cheaper. And honestly, for many businesses, that is the right move. Let's use an example. Imagine Jake owns a small roofing company with 3 employees. He mainly needs invoicing, expense tracking, basic payroll, and tax preparation. QuickBooks can handle that perfectly fine. But now imagine Alex runs a commercial electrical company with union workers, multiple job sites, equipment tracking, certified payroll, and dozens of subcontractors. That is where Sage starts making a lot more sense. This is where most people fail. They assume accounting software should work for every business equally. It does not. The complexity of your operation determines which software fits best. So let's break QuickBooks down first. QuickBooks is popular because it is simple compared to enterprise accounting systems. Setup is faster. The interface feels modern. Finding bookkeepers familiar with QuickBooks is easy. And integrations are everywhere. That last point matters a lot in 2026.2. QuickBooks connects with tons of construction apps, including Buildertrend, Jobber, Housecall Pro, and estimating platforms. For smaller contractors, this flexibility is extremely attractive. Another big advantage is pricing. QuickBooks costs far less upfront than Sage Construction in most cases. That matters for growing businesses watching cash flow carefully. But here's the problem. As construction operations become more complicated, QuickBooks starts needing workarounds. You may need spreadsheets outside the system, manual tracking, third-party payroll adjustments, custom reporting, and eventually, the cracks begin to show. Especially with detailed job costing. Construction companies live or die based on job profitability. If your accounting system cannot clearly show labor costs, materials, change orders, and budget overruns per project, you are flying blind. QuickBooks can do job costing to a degree. Sage was built around it. That difference becomes obvious fast once your company grows. Now let's talk about Sage Construction. Sage is designed for contractors who need deeper financial control, especially mid-sized and larger businesses. Features like advanced job costing, work-in-progress reporting, equipment management, subcontractor tracking, and detailed payroll reporting are major strengths. And payroll is a huge deal here. Construction payroll is not normal payroll. You may have prevailing wages, union rates, multiple tax regions, certified payroll requirements, and employees splitting hours across jobs. Sage handles this much more naturally than QuickBooks. In a minute, I'll explain the hidden downside that pushes some contractors away from Sage completely. And this part is important because many YouTube reviews ignore it. But first, let's talk usability. QuickBooks is easier to learn. That is probably the biggest reason small businesses love it. A new office admin can usually start using QuickBooks relatively quickly. The menus are cleaner. Navigation feels more intuitive. There are thousands of tutorials online. Sage requires more training. And that scares some contractors immediately. The software is deeper, but depth creates complexity. This is where most people fail. They underestimate the importance of onboarding. Buying advanced accounting software without proper setup is like buying expensive power tools without learning how they work. The tool is not the problem. The implementation is. And honestly, Sage usually demands more commitment from the company using it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some contractors actually outgrow QuickBooks before they realize it. At first, everything feels manageable. But then, the business expands. More employees. More projects. More payroll issues. More reporting needs. Suddenly, the office team spends hours manually fixing things every week. That hidden labor cost becomes massive over time. This is one reason many commercial contractors eventually migrate to Sage or other specialized construction accounting systems. But let's be fair. Sage is not perfect either. One common complaint is cost. Sage typically costs much more than QuickBooks. Not just for subscriptions, but also implementation, training, and ongoing support. For smaller businesses, that investment may not make financial sense. Another complaint is speed of adoption. Some teams resist learning complex systems, especially field-focused companies where office processes already feel stressful. If your team hates the software, productivity suffers no matter how powerful the features are. That is why company culture matters in this decision. Now let's compare reporting because this is a major separation point. QuickBooks provides good general financial reports. Profit and loss. Cash flow, expenses. Invoices. Basic project tracking. Sage goes much deeper into construction-specific reporting. Work in progress reports. Detailed job profitability. Labor analysis. Committed costs. Equipment expenses. Overbilling and underbilling reports. These reports help larger contractors make faster decisions. And in construction, slow financial visibility can destroy margins. Now let's talk integrations because software ecosystems matter more than ever in 2026. QuickBooks wins on integration quantity. Almost every business app supports QuickBooks. Sage supports integrations too, but the ecosystem is smaller and more construction-focused. For some contractors, that specialization is a strength. For others, it feels restrictive. Another big factor is accountant familiarity. Finding QuickBooks bookkeepers is easy. Finding Sage construction accounting specialists is harder. That affects hiring and support. Now, here is the question everyone really wants answered. Which one is better? The honest answer depends on company size and operational complexity. QuickBooks is better for small contractors needing simplicity, affordability, and fast setup. Sage is better for contractors needing advanced construction accounting and deeper financial control. That is the cleanest answer. A handyman business probably does not need Sage. A growing commercial contractor may eventually need far more than QuickBooks can comfortably provide. And here is one final thing many contractors overlook. The best accounting system is the one your team actually uses correctly. A perfectly designed platform becomes useless if nobody enters data consistently. That is why process matters more than branding. The smartest contractors focus on financial visibility first and software second. So before choosing between Sage Construction and QuickBooks, ask yourself 3 questions. How complex is your payroll? How detailed does your job costing need to be? And how fast is your company growing? Your answers will usually make the decision obvious. If you want simple, affordable, and flexible, QuickBooks is probably the better fit. If you need serious construction accounting depth, Sage is likely worth the investment. Hopefully this breakdown helped simplify the decision. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which accounting software your company currently uses. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you want more construction software comparisons and contractor tech reviews in 2026, make sure you subscribe because we have more videos coming very soon.